Hi kabahay, meet Katerina model. It has a lot area of 176 square meters and floor area of 136.25 square meters. May 4 bedrooms ka na, 3 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. This is a single detached property near Tagaytay City. Kaya kung ikaw ay interested, tara check natin ang ating property. So meet Katerina model mga kabahay. As you can see, this is the main door. Access natin papunta sa ating property. On this area naman is the parking area. So as you can see sa parking area, meron tayo ditong cemented parking. And then meron tong access dahil single detached po ito. Check natin kabay ang ating setback area. So dito sa setback area natin, since this is a single detached property, makikita nyo na meron tayo ditong access papunta dito sa ating sink, which is for your laundry purposes. And may access din ito papunta sa ating lanay area and kitchen area on this side. Let's check Katerina model. So upon entering mga kabahay, meron tayong solid wood and glass on the door. This is the living area. So we're now here at the dining area. Meron tayo ditong foyer. And then the dining area, it can fit up to 6-seater dining table. This is the kitchen area. Meron tayong bar, countertop. And then syempre, the kitchen sink and the cooking area. It has a built-in cabinets over and under. And then may access tayo papunta sa ating laundry area. On this area mga kabahay, meron tayong bedroom number 1. Pwede ito para sa inyong mga seniors or PWD. Pwede din kagaya nito sa model house na ginawa siyang entertainment room. So sa ground floor, meron tayong isang toilet and bath. Complete fixtures po ito, pan turnover. So dito sa ating staircase mga kabahay, this is made of wood and meron tayong metal railings. Meron tayo ditong window for additional lighting. And then meron tayong high ceiling para sa chandelier area. So dito sa second floor ay meron tayong total of 3 bedrooms. So this is the bedroom number 1. As you can see mga kabahay, kasya dito ang single size bed and naka-cove ceiling tayo dito. Meron tayong built-in cabinets and vanity area. Bedroom number 2. So this is sa bedroom number 2, same as bedroom number 1, kasya dito ang single size bed, may vanity area tayo and built-in cabinets. We also have shared bathroom dito sa ating second floor. Check naman natin ang ating master's bedroom. So dito sa master's bedroom ay kasya dito ang double size bed. And ang good thing, meron itong master's toilet and bath with own bathtub. Here at the second floor, of course, meron pa rin tayo dito ang family room. And then this is the access papunta naman sa ating mini balcony. If you're interested mga kabahay to view this property, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. This is Bon Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching mga kabahay. Tripping na!